What is up? So here's my quite massive collection of Yeezys. Got a very wide variety of stuff here, and that's good because over the years, I've gotten all these different styles, and I can give back to y'all some sizing tips. So, without further ado, just getting right into it. Yeezy Slide Ochres. Got these. These are my first Yeezys actually, and had these things forever. You can probably tell by the usage and whatnot. I went true to size on these. True to size 12. So important to note, true to size 12. And I will say these fit true to size perfectly. I will say they have expanded a little bit. So I have a little bit of room in the toe, a little bit of room in the back, but it honestly, from new, it wasn't super noticeable. So true to size on these, no problem. You can drive with them. They won't be flopping around. They won't suffocate your feet. True to size on these is the way I went. You can't say that for every slides colorway, but for the ochres, at least, this is the way to go. 350 V1 Pirate Black. So I initially got these in a size 12 and quickly realized that they were very much undersized. So these were tight. They were just overall tight all over. And I was able to sell and luckily buy another pair. So I went up a half a size on these. And yeah, they're perfect. They fit me nice. They're still maybe a little bit snug in the toe area, but no heel slippage at all. I really enjoy these half a size up from my true to size. So in my case, went with the 12 and a half. I'm really happy with them. No issues there. 450 Stone Flax. So these fit tight by likely an entire size. They come in half sizes. This is a size 12 you're looking at. And the problem with these is that they are mega narrow. And these foam sides right here, the sole, it squeezes you as hard as it looks like it does. Okay, I mean, just look at that angle, okay? Especially the angle over here. It squeezes the hell out of your feet. So if you have wide feet, a full size up at least, okay? I'm probably gonna get rid of these. This is one of the pairs that I am not gonna be wearing all the time. I will go to a store or something, try out a full size up and see what that feels like to see if I wanna still go for another pair. But as far as these go, unfortunately, I can't wear these. They're just way too uncomfortable. Yeah, go full size up at least. Let's see what else we got. We got the 350 compacts, and these are my first pair of 350 compacts. You're gonna see an overall theme with the 350 V2 and these fit true to size perfectly in my case. Maybe like personally, I'm considering trying out a half size down, honestly, because over time I feel like this will stretch and maybe I'll have even more room. But with the knit material, I'm not seeing that happen for a very long time. Maybe I won't have to. Maybe I shouldn't be considering that. But yeah, true to size on these, size 12, no problems at all. Love it. 500 high tactical boot. I might as well grab the other one. They are the exact same. The sand and the black colorway both fit true to size, no problem at all. Your toe sits about here. I've heard people say go half size up on these. I think if you go a half size up on these, you're going to get heel slippage. And, my overall motto is that I'd rather it fit a little bit tighter than a little bit more loose. And because as you wear it, any shoe is going to stretch out over time, right? So I rather, get something that fits me more snug than loose. Overall, longevity wise, it's going to be a better experience. But really, don't worry about sizing with these. I think these fit true to size perfectly fine. Remember, I have wider feet and I have issues with this bit right here. If, it's too narrow, whatnot. Not at all with these. These are super comfortable. Honestly, my favorite Yeezy. All right. So going from that, sticking to the same theme, 500 Stone Tape. And these fit a little bit more snug than the 500 highs, only because this front area is a lot more padded. There's a bunch more material here. So it feels a bit more snug, but same thing with the wide feet. I don't feel any discomfort with the bone in this area. I think this is another pair, like I said, fits better snug. Over time, stretches out, and you'll be perfectly fine. Use it for longer. No real concern going true to size on this. But if you prefer, that slightly more loose fit, then yeah, go half a size up. you shouldn't have a problem. It's so padded in here that I wouldn't worry about your foot moving around too much. These are honestly a really comfortable shoe. Can't wait to wear them more. Let's see. 700 MNVN analog. These fit, okay, at first I said these fit half a size small, but even after just a week of wearing them, not even a week of wearing these, this bit right here where I was talking about my white feet is already stretched out a good amount, and they feel really good. Okay, so go a half size up if you don't want to wait for your stuff to stretch out. But if you go to the size on this and you have white feet, it may be a little bit uncomfortable at first, but it will stretch out. It will feel really nice. But yeah, if you don't want to deal with that, go half size up. You should be fine. I don't have a lot of issues with the heel slippage or whatnot. But if I went up a half a size, I may. So true to size on these. Yeah, they fit snug, but they will loosen up rather quickly. But I really like this pair. Wore them all day today. Foam runner. So these are really interesting. So I went true to size on this at first. And the first thing I noticed was all that heel lift. I really thought this would hold my heel better. I don't really care about the toe area. Yeah, you feel these grooves right here on your knuckles, and it can be a little bit uncomfortable with a tighter fit. And I can deal with that. I didn't like the heel lift. So I went down a full size on this because they don't have half sizes. And I'm really happy with the fit overall. I really think these fit nicely, a full size down in my case. And that's me even with white feet. Now, I know foam runner, really anything foam related when it comes to Yeezy, they can vary in sizes by color. So again, I'm going to have to keep this specific to the Onyx colorway. I was perfectly fine going a size down, but is not for everyone. These crazy guys. So the 450 slides, they fit oversized by about a full size. They fit large, okay? Go down a full size on these and to make them wearable. Now, if you like big slides, you're just wearing them in the house and you don't wear them out ever, then go shoot a size, it'll be fine. But if you like to wear your slides out, I've worn these things all around the country. Go down a full size. You'll be much happier. 350 V2. So these were maybe my second Yeezy ever. I've had these for a very long time, maybe 3 years. Still loving these a lot. Went true to size 12 on these. And yeah, they fit true to size. I think these fit amazing. I think they fit maybe a little bit more snug than the compacts, actually. Funny enough. And yeah, I have no issues going true to size on this. No concerns at all. Nowhere around my foot would I be concerned with at least the Onyx colorway, that it would be too tight. I hear a lot of people saying, yeah, go a half size up or something. I don't agree with that. I haven't had a pair of 350s where I felt like I needed to do that. And remember, that's me even with wide feet. So true to size on these guys, and you should be fine, honestly. What's next? The Quantums. So Adidas recommended to go half a size up on this. I regret that. I should have went true to size on these. I think that the bone area right there is forgiving enough to where if I went true to size, I wouldn't have any issues with that. I don't agree going half a size up on these. You get massive amounts of heel slippage, and but yeah, the toe box, the width, everything. This is a really comfortable shoe. It's a shame that this didn't work out for me. But before I get rid of it, want to make sure it's part of this video because yeah, sizing wise, I feel like true to size on these is the way to go. That's all the Adidas Yeezy stuff. Now we get into the really weird ones. So Yeezy pods. Let's start with the OG Italy pair, the made in Italy pre-order pair of Yeezy pods. This is a size 3. Remember, I'm a size 12 foot. These fit me appropriately. And I'll try to leave out anything about the design flaws and how that kind of messes up sizing. But yeah, size 3 Yeezy pods for a size 12 foot and above. Size 3 is the way to go. You'll be perfectly happy with it. And if you ignore the heel structure issues. When it comes to the made in China pair, post February 12th or 11th or Super Bowl or whatever, same kind of deal. And, at first I heard people say, hey, these fit a little bit more snug. They fit a bit better sizing. I don't agree. I think these fit a bit more loose. especially since there is some padding in here that's missing. And overall, the padding used on the soles is just not as present. These feel like they fit a bit larger. Your feet move around a bit more. If you're size maybe 13 and above, these should fit you pretty snug. And it's unfortunate because they only come in 3 sizes, right? So I tried the size 2 in the Made in China pair, and they felt like they fit more appropriately. But again, this bit right here where there's no heel structure keeping your heel in place just screws everything up, unfortunately. So hopefully V2 comes out where it fixes that. I would, in the future, in the perfect world where they have heel structure, I said I wasn't going to complain about this, right? In the future, when they fix that, a size 2 for a size 12 foot would be nice. But right now, if there's no heel structure, yeah, I mean, just size 13 and above, you should be happy with the size 3. Size 2, it'll be annoying. Just wait for a V2 to come out. Y'all, I think I reviewed every one of these Yeezys in one video. Thanks for watching as always. I hope this was helpful. I hope y'all don't waste money on the wrong size anymore. I hope this was a good enough variety. I know I don't have a lot of the older style Yeezys here, except, I mean, this is the oldest pair, I believe. Like the 500 lows and, the 750s or something. I don't have all that. But for recent drops, as far as Yeezys that are the most available at the moment, I think this is a good representation of just all those different styles and models and sizing differences and whatnot. So I hope you all can save money. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching as always, and more soon.